Our life is like a moving train. As a train continues to run on its track and gets closer to closer its destination, while ignoring the surrounding. We also set some goals in our life, like wealth, fame, glory, and we all are running behind them blindly, ignoring our surroundings too. Sometimes we act as a passenger waiting on a platform for our destined train, no matter how many trains cross us. But we keep waiting for our train, sometimes just blink of an eye, and sometimes it takes ages. Thing to remember is that we achieve our aim, our goal with patience, but sometimes we become impatient. We want to get rid of our trains and their noises and find some quiet and deserted place. No goal set, just going with the flow.